two to bid. How about another four now?
Love saving money and finding treasures? Check out BronsteinAuction.com for our weekly live virtual auctions every Friday night. Find Orlando's best kept secret at BronsteinAuction.com. Save, find treasure, and have fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, get ready to rock and roll for the specialty auction for the 25th of February. Yes, February 25th, right here, Bronstein Auction Company. We have got an amazing, and can I dare say amazing specialty auction coming up, guys. So I'm going to give you the walkthrough preview video so you can see each and every item. You can come in and preview in person on Monday from 4 till 8 p.m. and Tuesday from 1 to 5. And we go live virtual at 6 p.m. You bid in real time to a real auctioneer on really cool items, guys. So be ready to rock and roll. And you might say, hey, Lou, what happens if I can't be on the auction? I want to bid on that T. Cartier signed bronze that you have. You can have me bid for you guys. So it's called leaving a bid, left bid, proxy bid, and I bid for you from the block, just the same as if you were on. So you give me your bid ranges, I bid for you. If it stops for less than your top bid, you get it for where it stops. If it goes over your top bid, obviously you don't get it. So we have got some amazing, and I mean amazing, really cool beer signs. I'm going to walk you through the coins and monies. This stuff runs like right in succession, like 5C and D will run after 5, 7C will run after 7, 10C and D run after 10. I think you get a picture. But we have some absolutely phenomenal crisp paper money, some absolutely amazing coins. We have gold coins coming up, red seals, Morgans, flatted Morgans, 14 karat gold, 1862 Virginia Treasury. Oh yeah, check that out. Standing libs, more Morgans, half gram of gold. We have more gold coming up, so stick around. Silver bars, gorgeous silver bars, ready to go to work for you. British Virgin Islands gold coin, red seals, choice of 1923 Canada. Check those out. We have a beautiful antique lapis brooch, gorgeous World War I King's Royal Rifle pin, silver rounds galore, really, really cool silver rounds ready to go to work for you here. And bring it on down here. We have choice of your gold-plated bars, 1882 Morgan, 2-ounce silver round, quarters, silver quarters, uncirculated 19 Eagle, some beautiful silver certificates, successive serial number bills, Indian head silver round, really nice graded Jordan, Magic and Jordan and Robinson cards, Nazi Germany money, Frankfurters, yeah, they're Franklin's, guys, and you name it, we have got it. Rounds and peace dollars and a 1/4 ounce gold eagle. Yep, more of the silver bars. Bring it on down. Buffalo rounds. Yeah, check that out, guys. We have some absolutely amazing pieces. So be ready to rock and roll here, guys. It is going to be a great sale. We have Beatles Yellow Submarine, Louis Vuitton, Teamsters local jackets. We have this beautiful Epiphone. Oh my God, that thing plays amazing. I checked it out. It has the wah-wah and everything built right in. Children of the World, France or Italy, those are heavy as heck. Zoo York watch. Get this baby up here for you. Good looking piece right there. Really old vintage books. We have a Fender Starcaster, really nice Starcaster. American, signed by Hulk Hogan. Look at this really cool vintage light. Disney Gucci, really beautiful piece right there. Akadaka, AC/DC. The Rock Shoulders are Michael Byrne. Red Coral, More Children of the World collectibles. Those are heavy as heck, guys. Choice of Blake Tahan. G-Style electric, guys. Look at this. Belt buckles, really cool. Fender amp. We have some really nice, these are some nice Walking Liberties with all the stamps and so forth of that year. Some great knives. Days Gone By. Nursery Jingles. Civil War collection. Look at this stuff right here. That is really freaking cool. Bring you on over here. We have an Audio-Technica turntable. Audio-Technica is a good brand. Geodes. Really, really amazing NASCARs with the boxes. Jim Beam galore. Really nice Fender Strat. Look at this beauty right here, guys. Nice guitar for sure. Napkins and rings and silver. I'm not sure if it's silver or, yeah, come check that out. That's suspect. Got a cut to clear. We have some amazing cut to clear. The glass head. Vintage books. You got Little Miss, Tom Thumb, Bobby Shafto, Prayer. A nice thing to see. Happy Heart. Jim Beam collector items. Those are political, which is a really hot thing right now. Graded comic books. How often do you see graded comic books, guys? That's pretty amazing. iPad mini, you're gonna have to reset it. And we're gonna flip you around here. We got Miss Monroe, Budweiser, lots of beer collectibles this week. Again, this is for our specialty auction. That'll be the 25th of February, 6 p.m. live virtual. Yeah, come and check it out right here at Bronstein Auction Company. Coins and paper money will be off premise again until sale time, until preview, so it's not stored out in the open. Beatles signed by Gary Alderman, and then we have Ali signed by the artist there. Beautiful Burlwood set here, mid-century serving set. More graded comics, how cool. We were lucky to get those. Set of 4 cut to clear, 4 times on the World Rocks, and some really old books. Really cool stuff going on over there. Choice of the Mannheim race cars. Check those out. Really cool. Those are the big ones. Jim Beam, really nice ones. Semper Fi, Do Not Disturbs. Bringing on up. More graded comics in the back there. Awesome. Mid-century decanter. The beautiful mid-century bar glass. Choice of graded Mac Jones. Broderick graded. Frank Lloyd Wright 10-inch Bud vase. 120 wartime recipes. Yeah, really cool books there. 20-inch Mongo bottle. Huge. More Beam. Laurel and Hardy collector pieces. Vintage fire truck. It's absolutely phenomenal. 8x13 crystal bowl. So can I dare say we have got a killer collectible auction going on here, guys. A Sony turntable. It's beautiful 16-inch frosted bowl. Limited LTD Kirk Hammett. Good shred guitar, guys. I played this one too. I love it. Nice little vintage acoustic. Bring you on back. We have lots of world collectibles and glass. Look at these beauties right here. More Beam. Look at this on the gemstone earth. Yeah, that baby's 27 inches tall. Laurel and Hardy collectibles right here. Choice of Your Loves. Those are about 18 inches tall. Look at these cool babies here. New York Ranger stools. Yeah, do we got some cool collectibles or what? And bringing you on over here. I'm gonna bring you on down. Choice on your glass. Another signed Dale Tiffany. Budweiser salutes. The Coast Guard, Navy, Air Force. You're getting choice there. Those are Anthony, it looks like Celine. This one's signed. The others are not on the back. So, but those are gorgeous. They're on metal. Looks like to be the keys, if I'm not mistaken. Some really cool NASCAR pieces. More cut to clear. More worlds. We're worldly. The little owlies, those are like pill bottles or whatever. The little heads open up. They're cool. Really cool right there. N-scale trains. Geode bookends. Trout. Dragon. More cut to clear. Really amazing stuff. Look at that. That's an oldie Budweiser right there. Cool. Yeah, like your Budweiser. Dare to soar, baby. Dare to soar. Bring got choice of Robinson, Trask, or Favre. Those are all graded. Some gold Trump bills. Chris Webber's draft card. 925 Pandora. Belchick, Sandra Jackson with these guitar jewelries. Really nice choice arrowheads. And Confederate or Yankee bullet from the Civil War. How cool is that? Really nice Bose speakers. Plugged them in, they work beautifully, guys. Some gorgeous amber vases. This thing is 34 by 58. Big old Pabst Blue Ribbon PBR Army, baby. And metal coat of arms. Really cool. DVD players galore. Selling out a whole bunch of those. JVC CD, Denon, VHS. If you got the old VHS. The Funny Kids peeing. And we're going to finish out with the metal NFL. That sucker's huge. 43 by 29. Got all the NFL teams on there. The Bud Light. Really cool, guys. This is going to be, this is called Specialty 2.0, kids. We did it. We transitioned to the new location for the specialty auction, and it's really, really taking form. I'm really excited. It's just going to keep on growing. We really enjoy doing the specialty. I know you guys enjoy the cool stuff we get for specialty. We do accept consignments for specialty if you have really cool stuff. So join us Tuesday evening, the 25th of February, 6 p.m. sharp. You can come in for preview Monday and Tuesday. If you have questions, give us a call at 407-917-7355 or 689-227-5757. We'll answer any questions you might have. You do have to be registered to come in and preview, so you can get registered on the way in. You will come in door 700 to come in. And if you're not registered, we can get you registered at that time. And if you're already registered, come on in and check it out. If you can't be on the auction, I can bid for you. No problem. We don't want you to ever miss a bargain again. Have an amazing night. We'll see you guys on the next roundabout. Don't forget, Friday we'll have a big auction too. We'll get you out the preview videos and so forth on that. But here we are, Specialty 2.0, guys. Really taking form. And it's just going to continue to grow from here. Thank you for all your support and being a customer and consigners, and more importantly, thank you for being family right here at Bronstein Auction Company. It's more than an auction, guys. It's a big community and a family. Be blessed. See you guys Tuesday night for auction time.